We're going to discuss three measures of center. The first that we're going to discuss is the mode. It's the most frequently occurring score, and we can see that the mode, it corresponds with the tip of the curve here. So remember that the y-axis in a frequency distribution represents frequency. So the peak of the curve here is going to represent the score for which we have the most observations. So the peak of the distribution refers to the mode. In this first distribution, we can see that this is a unimodal distribution. There's only one mode. In this distribution, we have a bimodal distribution where we have two peaks in the data. The mode is the only measure of center that's appropriate for nominal data. The median is the middle score. So first we arrange our scores in order, our numeric scores in terms of ascending or descending order, and then I literally take the middle value. If I have an odd number of cases, the exact middle score is the median. If I have an even number of cases, then I average the two in the middle to reach the median score. And then finally, the last measure of center is the average. This refers to the mean. It's the most common measure of center that's used, and in general, it's the most useful. In order to arrive at the mean, you sum up the scores and divide by the number of scores. And this equation is in section 3.3 of your text, and so you're encouraged to look at that documentation. Now, to arrive at an example here, I have salary scores. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 scores of salary. So I've got 3 at 30,000, 2 at 40,000, 1 at 60,000, and 1 at 120,000. If I arrive at the mean, I add up all of those numbers and divide by 7, and that gives me an average salary of 50,000. If I arrange them in order, as they are here, the bottom to the top here, if I take the middle score, I can see that I have a median of $40,000, and then the mode of this distribution is $30,000. So this module here, this lecture, helped us to learn what these measures of center are, the mean, the median, and the mode, as well as how to compute them.